doing? Where is Superwoman when we need her? I was building my home. On the ceiling. Mama have a roof over my head. Me no stress in every language. Stress. These are the wood off I do fly out of my eye. El stresso.
We kind of keep on the wrong side.
Gutun stress. That's why you wear protective gear. Sham is back, the Danny's back. Hey guys, if you're seeing this, it's too late. I'ma move. I'm on the ceiling. Mama have a roof over my head. I'm grateful of me and give God thanks for that. Yes, so you guys been wondering, where is Sham? Where is Superwoman when we need her, when the world needs her? I was building my home, guys, because I got tired of paying rent. It just was not for me. It did too much until something almost complete or completely finished. I'm not gonna advertise it, like I'm not gonna say nothing until it done. Cause I just feel like, say, if I talk about it before, it's not gonna work out and it's gonna fall through. And this was too much money for it to fall through. Yeah. I made a little video journal here and there, capture like a video for showing us to make go put them together and showing in this video. So my guys, I spend money till me blow. Like, me no stress not every language. Stress. El stresso. Gutun stress. Me tell you, say, for build somewhere to live, like, if you're not strong and I have financial support and moral support and every other support, let me tell you, man, when you see your dollars just go through your hands, so just slide out your palm, so the money not steal it and like stress. But thank you, Jesus, I'm here. Maybe I need to go to that because I saw I'm almost at crash out. The next few days is gonna be the first in 2 years that on the 11th I don't have to think about rent. God is so good. Anyway, I had to look a video. It's not a video, it's not an official comeback video. I just make you know me that do. So anytime I see the girl online, like Mama P just not been working. Yeah, so not kill me. I was working. Anyway, remember, hit the subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Like the video, share the video. Sham is back, the Danny's back. So today we're going to be rubbing down the walls so that's then smooth enough to paint. Yeah, man, breathe heavy. Yeah. So I don't know if we can see this. My mommy say before rub it down with piece of black. So may as well go do that. Don't watch the junk. I think my uncle's restoring stuff here because I'm never there. It's like a bathroom, you know? Yeah. Let me stop that and sitting there. The place not sealed. That's at least. Oh yeah. I have to throw these out. And those two. Oh, yeah, and then yeah, this is your room. No, mom, if you take it back from your man, you're a big woman. Anyway, so you're gonna rub the walls. That can't do it. That's gonna leave streaks. We're trying to get it smooth. So we're gonna throw it them here. And when my uncle make line in here, we're gonna throw them out too. Yeah, all of these gotta go. Yeah, all of them pink candy and whatever. Yeah, your girl is on a no rent journey. I can't wait top parent. $7 million. And I got closer to mommy. I would have shown my mother, which probably I showed next door to mommy, but then it probably can't see on the roadside. So no. But yeah. This is the balcony, and this is the kitchen area. So the sink's gonna be there. And then I'm gonna put the stove vessel. And the fridge plug this because this is how we plug there. Yeah. And the little window. Most of the window is bigger. I like big kitchen windows because for me clear light in my place. So out here is going to be our laundry area. Yeah, so I put 2 pipes this for connect for the washer, the plugs, pipes, whatever. And then we have this big window right here. This is good for the big view. I just stay tuned to follow us on this journey. Come on, come in there. Yeah, so just stay tuned with us on this journey. I'm not wait till we completely finish the move. But as long as it's comfortable enough to move, I go move and then we'll finish up whatever we do while we're in here. Watch us turn this into our home. I don't know what my rub say, but I'm try to use a piece of black here and rub the wall and see. I forgot to walk in mask, so I have to use my clothes and cover my nose. I don't know if that if you do.
Ready that work? This is my second round off.
That work? Alright. So how's the tiling lady? The lady is going to tile, and that's my mother right there, supervisor. So she's going to do the tiling, you know? Girl power. Have one big trash bag of garbage. And this is how the place is looking now. So everywhere is trash free. If you move out them there. So guys, the half of that needed that work. Oh god, I look bad. I look the worst I've ever been. But anyway, the half of that never work, so my brother make this to me. Like we put sanding belt on pizza. What you call that body again? Lot nerve. Sitting, call it something. I'm gonna go rub it now. So Zava got the film room and then my room. Let me see it. Load man. Let's keep on that was a 9. Alright, so guys, let me get mask from my neighbor Auntie Rosie. I work hard. Like, no me understand why my day charge so much money for the house. Boy. You're not really surviving an idea. Man, it's hard, man. You're going to one little rub. My help, no? One little rub, man. My help. See, guys, I'm going to leave. Hey guys, so today is day 3 or 4 of construction. I don't know. Oh, so that one do that in line with it. So that one do that bring up.
So no, and this look like I've go on 2 before. This look like I'm on 2 before. Alright. No, sir. I'm thinking, no, sir. No, what I use that.
My brother is making the wall for the shower in our bathroom because all the place they initially make for bath. We don't want a bathtub, so we're just a little walk-in shower. So I'm gonna make one little rise, like nothing too tall and nothing too thick. So I'm just gonna make that with concrete because the guy for come tile the bathroom next week. So I try to get that done before. So see you. Sushi.
Ben, take up in plug. Ben, you cut with all type of stuff.
Alright guys, so it's day 5 or 6. I don't know. One day. So the guy who put in the window did a wrong measurement for one of the 3 eye window them. 2 kitchen windows and 1 of the living room windows. So that's a way upon him to fix that. So in the meanwhile, because I want to hurry up and move, I'm going to turn the living room window into a TV wall. So see how that goes. You guys will see how it turn out. See it turn out good. That's the one that's in the measure properly. The one they might bring never fit either. So I'm gonna show me how to do it them there. For this front one, I'm dig off piece of the wall. I will not dig off no more. I'm not dig off no more at the wall. Guys, look at my hard-working baby.
You know what that's something here? What one is? I want table. You see, once you sit on the table, you see, once the table sit on the board, you can't go lean. You see me? The blade will lean with the table.
me and my mom got our hardware today. It's now kind of early now because the hardware I have on sale from 7 to 8. So I leave out now after 6. So I leave out early for try to catch a sale. I'm gonna try to get the tiles, toilet, and stuff for the bathroom, and paint and whatever else we can get. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so within the hardware, as I said, I have one sale, 15% off, doorbuster. Luckily, I reach early for a festival because it got 7 to 8. I'm gonna get it. But end up go through and I cash everything. Forgot for video because they say a day you're pretty, that stress me. But I'm gonna run back through because I wait for my daddy to come pick me up with the stuff in. So I run back through and show now wow I'm gonna pick. Yeah. The cheapest alternatives. So for the doors, I just choose this one for the front door, the regular standard, $26,000. And this is for the back door, 14 something. And for the tiles, the initial tiling when we did one, and that one there. So. Alright, so I use these on the floor, non-skid, 24 by 24, and then on the walls, I'm using these. I don't know how you color them match. I don't know how much them two color them match. Look how me look stressed out. Oh my god, my face. I'll be stressed. But I get one little discount, 15%, so that was good. I'm happy for that today. What else am I buy? Oh, I never see them door there. I never see them door there. Oh no, they're a big man. Oh shoot, I'm gonna need closet door and one farm door, barn door for your bathroom. That when I come back, I just like get the necessities now. Sure you know what I'm choose. Yeah? Hold on, mommy call me. Yes, mommy. Oh, okay. We have to sit down. I'll sit old and tired. I'm gonna be doing it. I'm gonna choose that toilet there. I'm never want full white. Even though that look big for the space I'm gonna have. Never know if not hear me. And I can't get no base with no sitting there with no vanity because I don't have space for that. So this is the sink I'm gonna use. I still think it's too big, but then so I can change it if it can't fit. Based on how my granddad did design the bathroom, the toilet and the sink they're in line with the shower. So it don't leave me much room because even downstairs we had to use small toilets and small face basin. I never want them too small, I try them there. If them don't fit, then I come back and change them. But if it's sink, you dip on the other side. So dry. If it's sink, you dip on the other side like how it is at my house now, then I could get one bigger sink or one bigger toilet. But I just have to work with them for me now. Oh, I can't get mirror. So we just reached home, brought the things upstairs. My granduncle is here stringing the electricity, so I'm putting in something for the light, and I'm putting in the plug them and the switch. I'm tired. Spending your money is so exhausting.
So we have to take our back door because we can't keep on the wrong side and we need to know. So we can't keep on the other side. Kind of like switch them over this up.
Guys, it's a piece that it would have I do fly out of my eye. That's why you wear protective gears when you're working. Alright.
I'm about to put this on brush.
So today's day, I don't know how much of renovating or construction or whatever. So I put on the second door. We were trying to do it last night, but we just couldn't complete it last night. It was a difficult task to complete in the dark. So today we're gonna put on that door and maybe I'll start priming the walls. Yeah, maybe. See you guys. See you soon. Going to update it or anything. That's me. We can't hold this now. We can't hold this.
They make all this. Yeah, man, I don't know what I mean. Chop. We don't consider say what we out more than paint. We forgot to start recording. You know what's going on? Hold on.
That's why you answer me ask because I said, oh,
Come back on my face, me a paint. Watch out. Go watch out. See if I can bombard.
At least we're gonna get white.
I don't know why. I don't paint this. It's a primer.
So
Watch out, paint on my ear. We finish prime one room and don't look up at the next one. I just roll out what in the pan. So tomorrow again. Tomorrow the guy like on tile too. So tomorrow. The next day I'm picking up from where I left off last night. So I was priming the second room. Never finished one wall. So I'm gonna go finish, see if we can finish the room and see how much other rooms we can do.